Hello guys, welcome to this channel. So here in this video I want to show you some basic Linux command. So in my previous video also I have shown some of the commands, so you can go through that video also. So I already have one file, and now suppose I want to create a directory. You can see there is no directory here, now only one file is there. So I want to create a directory. So what is the command? Mkdir. So my directory, suppose we can create a directory using this one, mkdir command, ls-l a ls-a lpr a. So you can see the my directory is created. Suppose I want to copy this my file to a different directory. I want to copy this my file to, suppose I want to copy to the my directory. Okay, so cp my file, just give the cp my file to path of that destination. Suppose here then my dir, just give this. Now go to my dir, sorry, my dir. If you do ls, you can see the file is here inside this directory also. So this is how we can copy a file. Then suppose I want to see the hierarchy of the files, so we can use tree. So tree command is not here, we will have to install. How to install it? Sudo yum install tree, then -y. We can use any package. If you want to use any package, you can go for sudo yum install tree -y. So it will install the tree. Okay, so tree is installed now. So if we give tree, so you can see the my directory. Inside the my directory, my file is there, so another file is there also outside the directory. So this is how we can use a tree command. Clear the screen. Suppose we want to see the processes running and the CPU and memory utilization in this machine, so we can use top command. So this was the process ID, username, the process name. This is how we can do that. Control C, clear the screen. Now suppose I want to delete my file, we can use rf my file, so it will delete the file. Now if I want to rename the file, suppose I want to rename my files to your files, you can use mv, give the file name and a new file name, your file .txt. So this is how we can do that. New file, you can see name of the file is changed now. So clear. Now I want to delete the directory, suppose my directory, rmdir we can use for my deleting the directory. So rmdir, but it will not delete because the directory is not empty. So this helps us if suddenly we delete some important files. So this will protect the files inside the directory. So we can use rmdir. If you want to delete directly, we can use rm-rf as well. So now to force delete the directory, we can use rm-rf, clear the screen. Now if we want to see the users of this machine, etc, go to etc and then password directory. You can see the new user this is there. Okay, suppose I want to delete this one, so user del command we have to use teach, so this will delete the user. So I have to become root user, so to become root user sudo -, so I become a root user. Now user delete teach, so this will delete the user. Suppose now we check that it is there or not. So it is a password file. Just see that this user is not here. You can see. So these are a normal user and root user, normal user. You can see. Now suppose we want to become normal user, then just exit from there, go to that directory. I want to change the file contents for your file. I want to change the content of the file is like Ubuntu. The word I want to change for permanently using sed. So I already have shown in the previous video, like sed we can use to change temporarily, or if we want to change it permanently, you have to use an I flag, and the other commands are same like Ubuntu. Then change it to Linux. I suppose Linux. Suppose I want to change the first occurrence of the word, and then hit the file name. Now get your file name. You can see the first occurrence is changed. Now suppose I want to change Linux with Windows. Sorry, with Windows. The first occurrence. Just enter get your file. You see the first occurrence is changed, not the second occurrence. Okay, this is still there. Linux is still there. So this is how we can do that, and clear the screen. Okay, so if we want to update the machine, so we have to give sudo yum, just give update. It will update the machine. All the update will get, and if you want you can install that. I am not installing now. Okay, now clear the screen. Suppose I want to see the last lines of my directory or of my file, so just use tail command. It will give the last lines of your file, or we can use head. The head will show the first lines of the file, and the tail will display the last lines of the file. Then we can use cat to display the file, and tag also we can use, so it will display in reverse order. Clear the screen. that's all in this video. I'll see you in my next video. Do subscribe and share the video and like and comment. Thank you.